Hello and welcome to the Product Management Crash Course for developers. Regardless of what programming language you use, Python, Java, JavaScript, you name it, you are playing a vital part in deciding how things get built. You are the ultimate decision maker when it comes to implementation details. But are you looking to advance your career beyond routine coding and start making key decisions in the team? Do you want to work on cutting-edge, cool technologies and innovations, but cannot get decision makers to approve any time for it? Or have you ever struggled to convince your product manager to plan that code refactoring, but failed as it doesn't affect customers in an obvious way? Or maybe you're de facto playing a product manager role in a tech startup that doesn't have a product team yet, and you want to get to know how the product management process really works. Finally, perhaps you are thinking about whether transitioning to a product manager role can be the next career challenge for you. If any of these questions resonate with you, I am inviting you to join me at the Product Management Crash Course. My name is Anna and I'll be your instructor and mentor for the course. I am a head of product and lead instructor at Futureversity, an online learning platform for those who want to get ahead with product management skills. Yes, this course is not a must-have course for developers and software engineers, but it will give you an edge at work and empower you with the new skills critical to your growth in product-led tech companies. You will learn why and how the product strategic decisions are made. Get to know how to communicate better with the key decision makers in your organization and sell them on technical innovations. And the best part is that learning and practicing product management is a fun thing to do. By joining the crash course, you will get access to over 5 hours of HD video content with a comprehensive overview of the methods, tools, and frameworks used in product management in 2023. PDF summaries of every lecture so that you can quickly refresh the course content at any time. Quizzes to check your learning progress. Learners community where you can connect with me and the other students of the course to ask questions, get support, an extra hit of accountability, and much more. And if you'd like to get really hands-on in product management, I invite you to play a product manager role and work with me on enhancing an existing product or on creating a brand new product from scratch. This course assumes absolutely no prior product management experience, but students are expected to have prior knowledge of the software development process in an agile environment. And yes, if you don't like the course, you can get a refund within 30 days, so there is no reason to hesitate. Enroll now and I'll see you inside.